Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily transfer a job order to an active pallet in AIMS. The normal process for processing a job order is via the Active Pallets menu. Here you can submit new active pallets and assign existing job orders to them using the Submit menu entry. To do this, you specify the pallet that should be processed next. This is done by scanning the RFID tag, scanning the QR or data matrix code on the pallet with a handheld scanner, or simply selecting it from the list of available pallets. The pallet determines which job orders fit this pallet. These job orders are displayed in a list and can be selected. Additional job orders can also be added. After all job orders have been transferred, the pallet can be submitted to the scheduler. Another much faster way to transfer a job order is directly via the job order list. This is a time-saving shortcut, especially for job orders that occupy a pallet. In the list, a Submit button appears on the right side of all job orders that have not yet been submitted. When you use this shortcut, you must first confirm the correct pallet for security reasons. The job order is transferred immediately and can be submitted. Of course, you can also add other suitable job orders to the pallet here. I hope this video helps you in your daily work with job orders. If you have any questions, leave us a comment on this video. See you soon for the next Tooltip Tuesday.